In today's video, I'm going to teach you 2026 tutorial how to integrate Shopify with Webflow step by step. We'll embed a Shopify buy button into a Webflow page so you can sell products with Shopify's checkout while keeping your Webflow design exactly how you like it. Start in your Shopify admin. From the dashboard, open the buy button sales channel. This is where Shopify lets you generate embeddable purchase components for any product or an entire collection. Click Buy button to open its panel, then choose Create a Buy button to begin. Next, decide whether you want a button for a single product or for a collection. A product button is perfect for a specific item detail page or a featured product section. A collection button automatically displays all items from a collection. Great for a compact storefront on one Webflow page. Pick the option that fits your use case. Select the product you want to feature from your catalog and confirm by clicking Select. You'll land in the customization editor, and this is where the magic happens. Preview how the button or product card will look, then tailor the layout, show or hide images, variants, and quantity selector, and adjust fonts, colors, and corner radius to match your Webflow styles. You can also choose what happens when someone clicks, go straight to checkout for a quick purchase, or add to cart to let shoppers continue browsing. Take a moment to check the mobile preview so it looks great on smaller screens too. When you're happy with the design and behavior, click. Next, to generate your embed, you'll see a code snippet that includes a small script and an HTML container. Click Copy Code. That's the exact snippet you'll paste into your Webflow site. Switch to Webflow and open the designer for your project. Navigate to the page and section where you want the button to appear, then add an embed element. Place it inside a visible container so it inherits your page spacing, and avoid dropping it into a symbol that strips scripts. Open the embed editor, paste the Shopify code you copied, and make sure you include everything from the script tag to the container. Click Save and Close to insert it into the canvas. Publish or preview your site to test the live result. You should see the site styled product or collection, and clicking the button will launch Shopify's cart or checkout exactly as you configured it. If it doesn't show right away, confirm the embed sits in a visible section and that no custom code on the page is blocking scripts. That's it. Your Shopify buy button is now integrated with Webflow. Congratulations.